Hi friends, welcome to Diycraftysewing channel. Now we are going to make cute flower from the satin ribbon. For that I am taking the satin ribbon which is having the width 4 cm and length 8 cm. Now we are going to convert this ribbon piece into a triangle shape. For that follow the procedure as shown here. Now give a heat touch up to the cut edges. Now take this piece as a reference. Convert the remaining pieces as shown here. For this flower we need 10 petals, so I am taking 10 ribbon pieces. Now all the triangle pieces are ready. Now take one triangle piece and give respective folds and heat touch-ups as shown here. With the help of the tweezer, cut out the uneven edges as shown here. Now give heat touch up and press it as shown here. Now trim out that extra part and give heat touch up. At the sharp edge, give heat touch up and give press. Now one petal is ready. Do the same procedure for the other petals. Now all the petals are ready. Now take the needle along with thread and insert all the petals together to form the beautiful flower as shown here. After inserting all the petals, give a secure knot and trim out the extra thread. If you want, you can stick the round base at the bottom of the flower. Now adjust all the petals in proper position. In the middle of the flower, decorate with the ornamental stone as shown here. Now beautiful flower is ready to use. If you like our video, please like it. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.